Time now 5:51. We have another toasty day on tap. 94 degrees already to kick off your Sunday, and that sunrise looking really nice. Wind speeds now 6 miles per hour. This afternoon we expect to land near 113. Pretty similar to what we've seen the last couple of days. We still have that heat warning in place until 8 p.m. tonight. And on top of that, we're also going to see an increase in wind speeds today. We'll really start to see that pick up right around 3 p.m. and increase throughout those evening hours. So by around 10 p.m., we could see those sustained winds up to right around 20, 25, those gusts up to 30, 35 miles per hour. Wind speeds relax tonight before picking right back up by tomorrow afternoon. Meanwhile, our temperatures are going to be hopping into the upper 90s as early as 9 a.m. A lot of sunshine today, less so or more so than what we saw yesterday, and closer to 111 degrees by around 1 p.m. Tonight, you'll see triple digits through 8 p.m., 97 at midnight, clear skies waking up to the upper 80s to kick off tomorrow. For your Monday, 108 degrees. This is the first time we've seen those temps drop below 110 for quite a while now, and that excessive heat warning will no longer be in play, but we're still 7 degrees above average tomorrow. So planning out that day, you'll see lots of sunshine, triple digits hitting by at least noontime. You'll see those sustained winds up to 17, 20 miles per hour and gusts potentially up to 35 miles per hour. So a couple of breezy and hot days ahead of us. Speaking of hot, we're looking at 122 for that daytime high today for Laughlin, 112 for Monday. You're starting to see those temperatures decrease as well, but it's still very hot at 109 degrees by Tuesday. We are going to see some gusty conditions for that Colorado River Valley as well. Here's that high pressure that's now sinking down here, bringing those more mild conditions our way. But this is a system I'm watching long term, the potential for high pressure to build right back over our region into next weekend, and that could potentially bring another heat wave. But until then, we are looking forward to these temperatures in the low 100s on Wednesday and Thursday. We're looking at 101 degrees there. Then we're watching for Saturday. This is what I'm talking about with the potential of that heat wave with 111 degrees on Saturday. Until then, we'll enjoy those overnights in the low 80s. All right, 6:42 now on your Saturday. If you plan to get outside today, be prepared for the heat. You still want to go for those early morning hours. Lower elevations like Lake Mead hitting 109 today. It is going to feel very hot, especially as you're headed to the shoreline, but it'll likely feel pretty nice out on the water, although you do have that 10% storm chance, so just be on the lookout for that. 97 for Red Rock, slightly higher elevation there, but if you really want to get some cooler air, you can head to Mount Charleston, 81 degrees for that daytime high, with those early morning hours starting out in the 60s and 70s. We do have a 20% chance of some storms for both Mount Charleston, Red Rock, as well as spots like Sheep Range. Now, temperatures right now starting out pretty mild. Low 80s now for Boulder City, upper 80s in North Las Vegas, and 84 near Red Rock. Wind speeds are right around 12 miles per hour for Henderson. Elsewhere, really not much of a problem. We will expect to see some gusts potentially up to 20 miles per hour. You could see some gusty outflow winds where you see some isolated storms. Otherwise, those southeast winds right around 5 miles per hour through 11 a.m. That's when we're inching closer to that triple digit mark. And we are going to see partly cloudy skies throughout the day today. 105 today, 106 for your 4th of July. That's 2 degrees above average, and we are gradually getting warmer and warmer. So Monday, we're getting closer to 5 degrees above average. But those temperatures across our local areas, 104 for Boulder City. You're looking at 103 in those higher elevation neighborhoods like Summerlin and Centennial Hills, and North Las Vegas at 106 today. So when you're considering we are in early July in Las Vegas after all, it's really not too bad. Saturday and Sunday have those 10% to 20% rain chances before we dry out again on Monday. But here's what that looks like through our futurecast models. We are watching these clouds pushing in. They're likely going to be lingering and if not building through those early morning hours tomorrow. And for that 4th of July, watching for the potential of a few sprinkles, not necessarily going to be a washout, but we expect to see those evening hours mostly clear before completely drying out on Monday. Now tonight, those overnights falling into the upper 70s and mid 80s. That 4th of July forecast at 106 by the afternoon, but you're still going to see the triple digits as you're watching the fireworks past sunset, and those early morning hours going to hit the 90s pretty quickly despite that extra cloud cover. Here's a look at that 7-day planner. We are going to see a warming trend on the way. Tuesday, 110, and we're going to hang around that temperature range through at least Friday, with those overnights in the 80s and lots of sunshine early next week.